In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chat history on Snapchat. We will start with removing a single message you sent to someone, which is handy if you made a quick mistake or shared something by accident. Open Snapchat. Once the app loads, you should land on the camera screen with the shutter button at the bottom and buttons around it. From here, we want to move into your messages. Go to the chat screen. Swipe from left to right or tap the chat icon at the bottom until you see your list of recent conversations. You will know you are in the right place when you see contact names with message previews on the right. Open the conversation. Tap the chat where the message you want to remove appears. Inside the chat, you will see messages aligned on both sides, with yours usually on one side and theirs on the other. Press and hold the message you sent. Make sure you are holding your own message, not theirs, because Snapchat can only remove messages that you have sent. When you hold it, a small menu will pop up near the message. Tap Delete. On that menu, look for the Delete option and tap it once. You might also see other choices like Save or Copy, but only Delete will start removing the message from the chat. Confirm the deletion. Snapchat will ask you if you really want to delete it. Tap to confirm, and then that message disappears from your side of the conversation. The other person will usually see that a message was deleted, and if they already saved it or were offline, it might still show for them even though it is gone for you. Now let's move on to clearing an entire conversation from your chat feed. This hides it from the list, but does not erase the actual messages from Snapchat servers. Open Snapchat. From the camera screen, we are heading into your account area, where you can adjust privacy and data settings. Tap your profile Bitmoji. Your Bitmoji or profile icon is in the top left corner. When you tap it, you should see your profile page, with your snap code, name, and several options underneath. Tap Settings. On the top right of your profile page, there is a small gear icon. Tap it to open the full settings menu, which is a long scrolling list of options. Go to App and Privacy, then My Privacy and Data, then Clear Data. Scroll until you see the App and Privacy section. Then tap My Privacy and Data. Inside that screen, look for Clear Data and tap it to open the data-related tools. Tap Clear Conversations on iPhone or Clear Conversation on Android. This opens a list of chats currently in your feed, each line showing a friend or group name. Tap the X next to the conversation you want to remove. When you tap that X, Snapchat immediately removes that chat from your main chat list, so it no longer appears among your recent conversations, but the underlying messages are still stored and can return if the conversation is revived. Next up, we will change how long future messages stay visible before deleting themselves automatically. Open the conversation, go back to your chat screen, then tap the friend or group where you want to adjust how long new messages last. Press and hold the friend's or group's name. Do this on the main chat screen, not inside the message bubble. A menu will slide up with several options specific to that contact or group. Tap Chat and Notification Settings. This opens a panel where you can control how chats behave and how you are notified. You should see different toggles and options for this conversation. Tap Delete Chats. Here you tell Snapchat when to remove messages after they are viewed. This affects only new messages sent after this change. Choose one of the available options. After viewing removes each message shortly after it is seen. 24 hours after viewing keeps messages for a day, so you can reread them. 7 days after viewing keeps them for a week, handy for active groups. Never keeps future messages until you or someone else removes them. Existing messages keep whatever deletion rule they already had, so this only changes what happens from now on. You have now learned how to delete individual Snapchat messages, clear a conversation from your chat feed, and control how quickly future chats disappear. So if this helped tidy up your Snapchat, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe if you want more simple guides like this.